Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the exam assessment project using image processing. So this will be the complete code and let's run the project. We have to run the Python file. We have to run the Python file. Then it will open the login page. So user have to enter the username and password. Then click on login. User can upload the MCQ paper. First user have to write their name and then upload the image of question paper. It will show the 40%. It will evaluate the right and wrong answer, and user can view the marks graph according to the students. Student can also view their marks. User have to enter the name and it will show the marks. This project developed using Python programming language, and Tkinter is used for the graphical user interface. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.